Welcome to the world of money and politics. As we know, global economic recession is guaranteed in 2020, with worldwide analysts continuing to slash the already grim to forecast as the rapid spread of coronavirus pandemic across the world resulted in unprecedented containment measures and a rising number of businesses in danger of bankruptcy. The moves by central banks around the world to cut their interest rate to record low and by governments to pump huge amounts of money into financial system, including the new proposals in United States, Britain, European Union countries, Japan, Australia, and other countries to spread around trillions to bail out troubled business in this planet. Today, we are close analyzing major currencies' performance on this context in third week of June 2020 and how strong this currency in forex trading today. As we know, currencies are traded around the clock, 24 hours per day, even though trading hours vary in the morning to Tokyo during US nighttime. Trade and banking continue around the world. Therefore, as banks around the world buy and sell currencies, the value of currencies remain in fluctuation. Interest rate adjustment in different countries have the greatest effect on the value of currencies because investors typically gravitate towards safety with the highest yield. So now we are going to check with the currencies put on worries about the virus and economic outlook. Really it matters today. Check out these figures, guys. The dollar and yuan higher on this week as growing concerns about the rise in coronavirus cases under planned safe haven demand for US and Chinese currencies. Check out the countries like the Australian dollar. Check out the currencies like the Australian dollar. Australian dollar fell after data showed its economy swept twice as many jobs as expected in May, highlighting the damage caused by lockdown restrictions put in place by government to contain the outbreak. And the British pound traded in a narrow range before Bank of England meeting war policymakers and expected to expand quantitative easing in the face of shuttering economy and rocky trade negotiations with the European Union. A surge in new coronavirus infections in several US states and the imposition of travel curbs in Beijing to stop a separate outbreak have served as a reminder that the pandemic could be a savage drag on global economy for protracted period. Upside for US stocks and other risk assets has dwindled because more people are talking about a second wave of coronavirus infections. This supports the dollar and yuan because they are both safe havens. The pound has its own problems. The British economy is good as to shape and a hard Brexit remains. The dollar traded at $1.1 per euro on 16th of June 2020. Asia following a 0.2% gain on previous session. The greenback US dollar bought 0.9496 Swiss franc, holding onto a 0.3% gain on Wednesday. The yen edged up to 106.79 against the dollar. Sterling inched down to $1.2533 on cause of the third day of losses against the euro. The pound was little changed at 89.66 pence. Pegging new coronavirus infections and hospitalizations in several parts of United States over the last 2 weeks points to the troubling trend because cases had been falling for more than a month. China's capital has cancelled because of flights and blocked off some neighborhoods to contain a virus outbreaks that has fanned fears for wider contagion. The situation in United States and China has raised fresh concerns about the risk of reopening economic activity before a vaccine has been developed. The onshore yuan held steady at 7.088 per dollar. The People's Bank of China on Tuesday cut the rate on 14-day reverse purchase agreement to 2.35% from 2.55 and injected 70 billion yuan, approximately 9.88 billion USD into the money market to boost liquidity of the economy. Talking about Australian dollar, it fell 0.44% to 0.6854, extending a pullback from a one-year high reached last week after data showed the Australian economy shed 250,000 jobs and a jobless rate jumped to the highest in the almost 2 decades in May. Across the Tasman Sea, the New Zealand dollar also fell to 0.6432 on equity grain data, which showed the economy shrank more than expected in this first quarter. The yen jumped by more than half a percentage against the Aussie and the Kiwi, reinforcing the highest risk aversion. The British pound got off to a quiet start in Asia, but will come into focus later on the day as traders brace for the Bank of England policy meeting. The Bank of England is expected to boost its quantitative easing program by £100 billion, approximately 125 billion USD, with some analysts eyeing an even larger increase amid concerns about the economic outbreak. Britain is seeking a free trade agreement with the EU, which is left on Jan 31st, but negotiators have so far made little progress, raising the risk both sides will fail to agree deal before deadline at the end of the year. Forex is a large and most liquid market, with trillions of dollars traded between millions of parties around the globe each day. It's as well as understanding traits and characteristics of each of world's forex trading across globe. So let's start with the first one. Here the first one is US dollar. The US dollar, which is sometimes called the greenback, the first and foremost in the world of forex trading, as it is easily and most traded currency on the planet. US dollar can be found in a currency pair with all of the major other currencies and often acts as the intermediary in triangular currency transactions. This is because the greenback act as the unofficial global reserve currency held by nearly every central bank in institutional investment entity in this planet. The US dollar is also an important factor in the foreign exchange rate market for other currencies, where it may act as a benchmark of target rate for countries that choose to fix or peg their currencies to the dollar's value. China, for instance, has long had been currency the yuan pegged to the dollar, much to the disagreement of many economies and central banks. So quite often countries will fix their currencies to the US dollars to stabilize their exchange rate rather than allowing free forex markets to drive the currency's relative value. On the footage, on other features of US dollar is that it is used as the standard currency for most commodities such as crude oil and precious metals. Thus, these commodities are subject not only to fluctuations in value due to the basic economic principles of supply and demand, but also to the relative value of US dollar, with prices highly sensitive to inflation and US interest rate, which can affect the dollar's value on day-to-day basis. The second one is the euro. The euro became the second most traded currency behind US dollars, as everyone knows, the official currency of the majority of the nations within Eurozone. Euro was introduced in world market on Jan 1st, 1999. Banknotes and coinage entering circulation 3 years later, along with being the official currency for most Eurozone countries. Many nations within Europe and Africa peg their currencies to the euro for much the same reasons that the currencies are pegged to the US dollars to stabilize the exchange rate. As a result, the euro also the world's second largest source of money. Euro being a widely used and trusted currency, it is prevalent in the forex market and adds liquidity to any currency pair it trades with. The euro is commonly traded by speculators as prey on the general health of the Eurozone and its member nations. Political events within the Eurozone can also lead a large trading volume in the euro, especially in relation with the nations that saw their local interest rate fall dramatically at the time of euro's inceptions, notably Italy, Greece, Spain, Portugal, etc. The euro may be the most politicized currency actively traded in the forex market. Third one is Asian currency. The Japanese yen. Japanese yen is easily the most traded Asian currencies and viewed by many as proxy for underlying strength of Japan's manufacturing export-driven economy. As Japan economy goes on, the yen in the same respect. Forex traders also watch the yen to gauge the overall health of Pan-Pacific region as well as taking economics such as South Korea, Singapore and Thailand to the considerations, as these currencies are traded far less in global forex markets. The yen is also well known forex circles for its role in carry trade, seeking to profit from the difference of interest rate between two countries. The strategy involves borrowing yen at next to the no-cost due low interest rate and using the borrowed money to invest in other high-yielding currencies around the world, that is pocketing the right differentials in this purpose. With the carry trade being such a large part of the yen's presence, on an international stage. The constant borrowing of Japanese currencies have made appreciation a difficult task, though the yen still trades with the same fundamentals as any other currencies. Its relationship to the international interest rate, especially with the more heavily traded currencies such as US dollars and euro, is the large determinant of yen's value. The Great British Pound. The Great British Pound, also known as the pound sterling, this is the fourth largely traded currency in the world. Is the fourth largest traded currency in the next twin forex market. Is although the UK was an official member in European Union, the country never adopted euro as its official currency for a variety of reasons, namely historic pride in the pound and maintaining control of domestic interest rate. As a result, the pound is sometimes viewed as pure play on the Great Britain. Forex trades will often estimate the value of Great Britain's pound based on the overall strength of British economy and political stability of its government. Due to the high value related to its peers, the pound is also an important currency benchmark for many nations and represents a very liquid component in forex market. The British pound also acts as large reserve of currency due to its historically high relative value compared to the other global currencies. So the fifth one is the Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar is probably the world's foremost commodity currency, meaning that it's often moves step with the commodities market, notably crude oil, precious metals, and minerals. With Canada being such a large exporter of such commodities, the loonie often react the movement in underlying commodities prices, especially that is crude oil. Traders often trade the Canadian dollar to speculate on the movements of commodities or the hedge positions in the commodities market. Sixth one is Swiss franc. Much like Switzerland, is viewed by many as a neutral currency. More accurately, the Swiss franc is considered a safe haven within the forex market, primarily due to the fact that the franc tends to move differently than more volatile commodity currencies such as Canadian, Australian dollars. The Swiss National Bank has actually been known to be quite active in forex market to ensure that the franc trades within a relatively tight range, reduce volatility, and to keep interest rate in check. Chinese yuan. The People's Republic of China strictly controls the exchange of its currency, and the yuan, as it is also known, traders within the specified brand, with the People's Bank of China setting this as an official exchange rate and not allowing its banks to derive from that peg. You can still speculate on the currency in the foreign currency markets and potentially could profit from successful gears on the yuan. Future value against other major currencies including euro, Japanese yen, and US dollars. And eighth one is Singapore dollar. Currency is regulated monetary authority of Singapore. Singapore is a member of the 12-nation Trans-Pacific Partnership Free Trade Negotiations, the regional comprehensive economic partnership negotiations with the 9 other Asian members plus Australia, China, India, Japan, South Korea, and New Zealand. Singapore's top trade partners are Hong Kong, China, Indonesia, US, Malaysia, and South Korea. The finally ninth one is Australian dollar. Australia owns its popularity among currency traders to 3G. That G stands for geology, geography, and government policy. Geology have given a wealth of natural resources that are high in demand, including oil, gold, agricultural products, diamonds, iron ore, uranium, nickel, and coal. Geography has positioned the country as choice trading partner for many fast-growing Asian economies with nearly insatiable resources demand. Major trading currencies in the world is controlled by the Central Bank of Australia, the issuing authority of this country. The case of Australian dollar, it is the Reserve Bank of Australia, the RBA, is the rather conservative institution, and it has not made a habit of very frequent intervention in currency market. Moreover, while almost all reserve banks have a mandate to control inflation, RBA takes it rather seriously, and Australia frequently has some of the highest interest rate in the developed world. So these are the 9 currencies that we would like to share today's global forex trading.